So myself and my colleague Lizzie, we've been busy conducting research into how people perceive Revitalise, and the results have been really interesting, haven't they, Maya? Now, the interesting thing is that the way that the public are perceiving us is quite different to how many osteopaths and personal trainers might think that the public are perceiving their practice. So this is maybe the difference between features and benefits. So the features is that you see an osteopath, you get hands-on treatment, you go to see a personal trainer, and there's the facilities of the gym. And a lot of us might fall into the error of perceiving that this is why people come to us. From our research, the main reason why people come to us is first, they view us as experts. Second, we're kind. Third, that it's centered around them, so they have a strategy which is centered around them. And fourth is that there are tangible and quantifiable outcomes. There's also, so this then enables us to position ourselves in a more accurate way because we have an accurate understanding as to how we're perceived. This feeds now into the difference between awareness and mental availability. So people are aware of us, so they're aware of us as osteopaths, chiropractors, physios, personal trainers, etc. But do they have a clear understanding of what we can do for them? And the issue is that in the public at the moment, people know that they should go to their GP, for example, if they're sick, but if they're in a severe amount of pain, they don't know the expert that they need to see to help them out of their pain. And that then enables us to position ourselves as the strategist, the expert, the kind and the calm helper or guide to help that individual out of that situation. So what we're going to start to do is take this research and then quantify it. So we will be putting out more mass questionnaires using a lot of the information which is coming from the Institute of Osteopathy as well. And this will enable us to joint venture, so to team up with other osteopaths, other physios, chiropractors, personal trainers, so they can open up their own premises with the benefit of understanding exactly how the public perceive them. So it's quite exciting for me. I'm looking forward to getting to work. Are you excited, Steve?
Very excited, man.
It's going to be great. Keep watching.